What's up?
I said, what's up?
Hello. I say hello. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, guys. Today I want to share with you guys yet another DIY. I am really trying to perfect this craft in Jesus' name. Can I get an amen?
I said, can I get an amen?
Thank you. So today we are going to attempt to convert a pair of tights or a pair of leggings or a pair of jeggings, whichever you choose, into a bodysuit. Hopefully we can learn something new. Also, I'm going to share with you guys how to style it. Probably by the time this vlog is going up, I already did post an IGTV on how to style that particular bodysuit, so you can go check it out. My handle is at @anmuli__. If you still have never followed me, I will find you and I will kill you. Okay, that's a joke.
So the first thing to do is to fold the pair of tights on one side and cut the top section. As you can see, I went in with a chalk just to mark, and I cut it in a diagonal manner. So we will be working with the leg section, and what I did is I cut off the excess or the unwanted fabric at the bottom because I don't really need it. So after turning the pair of tights inside out, what I did was I cut the pair of tights open using a pair of scissors, and the key here is to cut open from the shorter end. So do not cut the side with a long length, otherwise you're going to ruin the shape of the bodysuit. So I cut the side with the shorter length. Next thing is I aligned the two of them together and cut off some excess fabric at the bottom because we don't really need it. We're gonna need to sew it in, so I cut it off using a pair of scissors. I wanted a low cut back, so I determined the side which was going to be the back side. As you can see, I went in with a pair of scissors and cut it so that would make the back side of my bodysuit. What's left is now the sewing, so you can sew in this area. I ended up leaving it like that, but you sew along the areas I'm showing with my hand and you're good to go.
So, since Sina sewing machine have to go to the fundi, so I will be right back. And we're back.
So what I did before I went to my tailor is I took some of the excess fabric and cut a thin strip that would work as the strap around my neck. So you just cut it out with a pair of scissors and stretch it out with your hands so that it's long enough to go all around your neck. After that, you sew it inside the fabric as I'm showing. Voila, basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next episode. Be sure to check out my IGTV along with some of my other videos on my YouTube channel. Till next time, bye.
Japan.